Alright guys, I'm going to run the numbers. Sorry I forgot. 7:04. We're going to go live. It'll probably click over. 7:05. We are live. 7:04. 7:05 just clicked over. Grab a list. I'm on a different computer, so bear with me. I got the names 1 through 10. We will drop them into random. Ben Decker on the bottom, Daniel on top. We have 10 entries. Going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. And we have a 5. 5 is good. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times. Next click, got our numbers. And 5, here's our numbers. I'll drop them at the bottom. Good luck, guys. Done. 7:05. Go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 7:05. 7:05. Timestamp verification.